Hello. So we are back, yes, same Monday. And we have a phone. We have a Samsung. This is a Samsung J600. I think it's 2018. Yeah. And the model is it's SMJ600G. I think it's a yeah, that's the model. No. It's yeah, 600. Yeah, I think it's 2018. Maybe. I don't know. The problem with this one, this is water damage. Yeah. So this come here with water damage, and the problem is the screen. The screen is working, but the touch is not working. So actually you can't do anything. I tried to reset the phone. You have to keep press the uh, power on, the power and the volume down. You keep them pressed together, and the phone at some point will get the restart. But the touch is not working. Yeah, that's the main issue. And we will try to open this one without damaging the screen and see if we can fix it without replacing the screen and without cracking the screen, because the chance to crack this screen is very high. This is a OLED screen. I think it's a OLED. Yeah, it is. Again, so the touch is not working. The only way to go inside of this phone is to take out the screen. Behind of the screen you have screws. Okay? Again, the touch is not working. So I'll just put the screen on the front of the heater for like 1 minute. I'll try to take out the screen. Risky. Yeah, it is risky. But it's no other way. There's no other way how you can go inside of the phone. I just wait 1 minute. I'll try to bring up the phone like around 50-60 degrees. And when the phone is hot, it's more easy to take the screen out. Let me get a tool. Give me 1 second. 1 second. Okay, let's try to get the screen out. The phone is proper hot now. You can't really keep the finger on the screen. So I suppose it's around 60. Don't use metal tools like I'm using here. It's a bad idea. It's a very bad idea. Yeah, the screen is proper stuck. I don't know if I will make it. Okay, it's not like the Sony. Remember, the Sony was easy. The Sony was easy. This is nothing like that. No. Still working, still working. 180 degrees Celsius. Screen is proper stuck. Give me 1 second. Okay. This is like working on a bomb. Yeah. Same feeling. Same feeling. It is working. Okay, the good part, the screen is not stuck on the back. Okay, that's good. You see all the screws are on the back. The screen is still working. So we are lucky. Okay, let's see where is the water damage. Yeah? Yeah. Let's check together. You can see there. Yeah, that's water damage. Okay. So what I will do, I will clean. Yeah. Give me 1 second. Oh, sorry. Let's clean it. I'll use my petrol. And the connector is not is no water damage. Let's see. It's fixed. Not yet. Let me reset the phone. Okay, let's see now. And the touchscreen is working, yeah? That's fantastic, because the customer already agreed with the screen to be replaced. And I said, you know what, let me try. Maybe I can take out the screen without crack it, yeah? And maybe I can fix it. Now I did create a little bit of damage here on the corner. You can't see. It's just a little bit. You can't see on the picture. Yeah? But yeah, that's my fault. The screen is not cracked, but I think my metal thing goes a little bit too under the digitizer, yeah? Few scratches, but the screen is still working. So if he is happy with the screen, it's okay. If not, I'll replace the screen. But yeah, if you have this phone with water damage, the touchscreen is not working, that's how you can fix it. It's not really visible on the screen. But don't do it like me with metal things, try to do it better with cards or plastic tools, yeah? Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you on the next one. Bye.